I'm getting the castle popcorn holder with caramel popcorn. You could either have salted popcorn or caramel popcorn.
我知道了，是不是他那个信用卡？对，信用卡。在前面直走，那个商店左转。结果左转并
这个现在怎么买啊？
扫码买或者排队买都可以。
Thank you.
拜拜。左转并棍。哎，好的。
I haven't got a clue how much that was. That's true Christian style. Oh, a pot. There we go.
A box or not?
Can you see how much it is? £15. Well, 158. £158. Popcorn's lovely.
There's more we're doing this afternoon.
Oh god. But that's it there. Isn't it great? I love it. I'm going to use it every day.
Castle flavoured ice cream.
Magical Castle coconut flavoured ice cream. Do you want to try one of those? This is Tony's, I think, anyway, or Market Café. This is what they got on offer. Oh, they got all different choices. Oh, it is just what they got outside, I think. See if we can get into Tony's. He said that's the best popcorn he's ever had, even though it was my popcorn.
You want a bucket?
So I get the bucket and you get the popcorn. Ah, I see how this is working out. So we've got the seats that I wanted in Tony's. But I don't think we're going to be able to see anything of the fireworks.
No, Tony.
This is Tony's. It's not Tony's. Or is it? What do you think it is then?
Tony's are next door, the pizza one.
Right. Tony's, not Tony's.
每个人的心中都有一束光，可以点亮我们的梦想，照亮我们的前路。今夜，我们共同闪耀，一起去向那个充满光亮的未来。全都比不上你的光芒。闭上眼，感觉我来承载你的心房，我在心头。 光照亮了黑暗，是光让我们今夜共度，是光引领我们向前，而你就是那束光。无论何时，抓住你的光芒，相信它是你的力量。
我不放弃，我不会认输，直到有一天征途重来。我不怕，我要感受所有的，我要经历哪怕是不完美。We won't give up, no we won't give in, till we reach the end and then we'll start again. We won't leave, we wanna try everything, we wanna try even though we could fail.
Woo!
是时候庆祝上海迪士尼度假区10岁生日快乐！这是我们一起创造神奇的10年。
Wow.
各位亲爱的游客，
Just another day finished with. Those fireworks were spectacular. Where we were stood made the castle seem very small, but it's a huge castle here in Shanghai. There seem to be two main hotels, Disney hotels, that people are staying at, which is the Disney Hotel and Toy Story Hotel. We've been asked quite a lot if that's where we're staying. You do get special perks. I think you get to come in early. When they took my stand off me earlier, they said if I'd stayed in one of their hotels I wouldn't have to pay the £1. They would just get sent to the room. But yeah, it's been a lovely day here in Disney. Really enjoyed it. Thank you very much for joining us. And please like and subscribe where you can. We've just been talking, and when we've got 10,000 subscribers or 10,000 views on one video, we'll be back here, and that's a promise. Another perk to staying at our hotel, there's everyone else. There was a bigger line going to the direction down there of the Disney hotels, and this is the direction of our hotel, which is just a 5-minute walk, 10-minute walk maybe away.
From the park entrance, yeah, it's only the actual park entrance is 10 minutes if that.
10 minutes.
Yeah.
There you go.
But to get to
Brilliant.
the property, which is the exit where you're originally, down that road, over the crossing, and then turn left. Done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Easy. Will you carry me then?
No. One of my condition.
See, he says he loves me.
What? Yeah, one second.
We just stopped back at the hotel for a beer, and the lady is saying that those lipsticks are actually chocolate. We've got to try one of these. And
£3 for that little bit, doesn't it?
look at that. You can put some lipstick on.
No,
Oh, I've got it. I've got to take it home. In fact, I think I might buy another one.
no, take one with.
That is crazy. I love it.
Here's a bit of chocolate. I'm paying £3 just for a bit of chocolate. It'd be good to take you to the pub with him.
Oh, I would, wouldn't it?
I'm starving. Like, oh, I've got some lipstick. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry, like.
Oh, this is fabulous.
I'm sincere for going eating lipstick in a corner.